Hey guys, a warm welcome to our channel. Today we're taking a look at the FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M 3D printer, a high-speed CoreXY machine that claims speeds of up to 600 millimeters per second while keeping setup and maintenance relatively simple. If you want to check out the FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M, the product is linked in the description. The first specification that immediately grabs attention is that 600 mm/s maximum printing speed. That's an impressive number for a desktop FDM printer, although actual print speeds will depend on the model, filament, and settings you're using. The Adventurer 5M uses a CoreXY structure, which is designed to provide fast and controlled movement of the print head. This makes it particularly interesting for anyone who wants to reduce print times while still maintaining accurate motion. Another major feature is fully automatic leveling. Bed leveling can be one of the more frustrating parts of 3D printing, especially for beginners. Having the printer handle this automatically can make getting consistent first layers much easier. The printer also uses a 280°C direct drive extruder. Direct drive can be particularly useful for materials that benefit from more controlled filament feeding, while the 280°C temperature rating gives you flexibility beyond basic PLA printing. If you're considering the FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M, the product is linked in the description, so you can check the current listing and availability there. One feature that I think deserves attention is the 3S detachable nozzle system. Instead of treating nozzle replacement as a complicated maintenance job, the detachable design is intended to make removing and replacing the nozzle much quicker. That's useful because nozzles are consumable components. Over time, they can wear out or become clogged, and being able to replace one quickly can save a lot of time. The Adventurer 5M also has an all-metal structure, which is important for a printer designed around high-speed movement. A rigid frame can help provide the stability needed when the print head is moving rapidly. The build volume is 220 by 220 by 220 millimeters, giving you a practical amount of space for everyday models, prototypes, and functional parts without making the printer excessively large. But here's the real question. Is 600 millimeters per second actually useful, or is it mainly a marketing number? The answer depends on how you print. Maximum speed doesn't mean every model should be printed at that speed. The real value is having hardware capable of moving quickly when the chosen material, model, and settings allow it. And that's where the Adventurer 5M becomes interesting. It combines CoreXY mechanics, automatic leveling, direct drive extrusion, and a detachable nozzle system into one relatively straightforward machine. If you want to explore the FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M 3D printer, the product is linked in the description. So, is this one of the most practical high-speed FDM printers for makers, or does the 600 millimeters per second headline fail to tell the whole story? The combination of speed-focused hardware and automatic setup certainly makes it worth considering. If you enjoyed this review, subscribe for more 3D printer reviews, comparisons, and buying guides. And remember, the product is linked in the description if you want to check out the FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M.